You wan lose weight, feel focused, and come go make your mind sharp? Be like say you go do intermittent fasting. Una well done, my people. My name na Dr. Toyin. In the next 1 minute, I go tell you wetin be this intermittent fasting. This intermittent fasting, you go chop, you go fast. So no be diet, na when you eat, no be wetin you dey eat. When you dey fast, your body go come break down fat for the body to give you energy, no be the carbohydrate. So you go come lose weight, and then you go come increase how your body dey break down things. So the other things when this intermittent fasting fit do include: 1, e go come stabilize your blood sugar. 2, e go come repair all the bad cell for your body. And 3, e go come make your mind sharp. So e come be like say you dey start your body again, dey reset am. If you wan do this intermittent fasting, make you do am slow slow. So you fit start with the 16-8 method. This one, you go chop for 8 hours of the day, come go fast 16 hours. If you no go chop breakfast, you fit do this method. If to say you don do intermittent fasting before, abeg yarn us for comment section. No forget to like this video, come share am with your friends, come subscribe to my channel because e dey free. And until next time, smile because e dey healthy. Una bye bye o.